So now we're going to move on to installing a full throttle race series floorboard. This is going to gain access for larger tires and easier access to removing the clutch cover. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to remove the fender bolts. There's 4 of them. We've already gone ahead and loosened these off to make the video a little faster. These factory floorboards are prone to breaking. This one is cracked all the way across the back and broken off the side. There's 2 screws for the foot peg, 2 screws for the upper portion of the floorboard. They'll slide out. Now you have your lower support board. There'll be 3 screws. That are carriage bolted into the frame. And your lower floorboard support should come off. Now we have the new floorboard resting in its spot. You're going to use the new supplied hardware to mount it to the frame tabs, and you're going to use the existing Torx 4 screws for the plastics. And you're going to utilize the factory foot peg. There's 2 spots to adjust it a little more forward or back. And the factory foot peg bolts are a little bit longer, and we're going to use the lower support bolts in replace of them so they do not stick past the floorboard. Now with this board installed, we're going to clear a lot more mud below our feet to keep traction. And we have a lot more access to get the lower bolts for the clutch guard and to remove the clutch housing with the footwell in place. We have significantly more space between the 29.5 Outlaws, or sorry, Assassinators, to the footwell over the factory footwell.